Introduction to CSS. CSS is a cornerstone technology that adds style to web pages. It describes how HTML elements are displayed on different media. CSS can control the layout of multiple web pages at once. Using CSS variables, CSS variables can be reused throughout the CSS document. Changes to variables apply to all instances, making code modification easier. Example, declaring a variable for a main color and using it to set the background color. CSS Flexbox. Flexbox is a powerful CSS layout method for one-dimensional layouts. It is useful for designing responsive layouts. Flexbox can easily align elements, distribute space, and handle dynamic sizes. Example, using Flexbox to evenly space out child elements. CSS Grid. CSS Grid is a two-dimensional system handling both columns and rows. It's suitable for creating complex web layouts. Example, using CSS Grid to divide a container into 3 equal columns. Centering elements. Centering elements can be achieved using Flexbox. Flexbox allows easy centering both vertically and horizontally. Example, using Flexbox to center all children of a container. Using the CSS Calc function. The CSS Calc function performs a calculation to be used as the property value. It can be useful for creating a responsive design without many media queries. Example, using Calc to set the width of a container as a percentage of its parent's width minus a fixed value. Common error-prone cases. Always close brackets and end declarations with a semicolon to avoid breaking your CSS code. Ensure the use of correct units, px, em, cent for the correct property. CSS is case-sensitive, so class names should be referred to as they are defined.